Okay, so hi everyone. I'm Mike, and this is Budgie. Budgie is a very practical robot, and it's designed just to follow you around and carry your stuff. So what it uses is it uses ultrasound. We have two sensors here, and then this transmitter is also ultrasound. And it triangulates the transmitter so they can tell which direction it should go in. We also have
yeah, could you speak up a little bit and speak at the mic?
We also have a app that you can download for the smartphone. You bring that up real quick. There you go. And that's what the app looks like. And basically, it allows you to drive Budgie around like it's a remote control car. So we can use the joystick and we can move it around just like you would in the other thing. Now there's also a bunch of settings on there. We can change the eye color. You can change the distance that Budgie's programmed to follow you, and those sort of things. So right now, Budgie's in what's called manual mode, and that's when you use the app on the phone. If you want Budgie to follow you with your transceiver, two ways. You can on the app you can put it into follow me mode, or here you can just tap its head. And a lot like the camera, the lights tell us what state Budgie's in. When the eyes were both lit, it's in manual mode. Now it's busy telling me that it can't find the transceiver because I haven't turned it on yet. So if I turn the transceiver on, you'll see that the eyes change once it makes a connection to the transceiver. So now it's connected to the transceiver when they're both blinking. So you can tell that it's going to, now it's ready to follow the transceiver. And that's basically what it does. It follows you around. It follows you around and it carries your stuff.
Cool. Is this available currently?
Yes, it is. It's actually we just started sending out to our pre-orders just this week, actually, and that's one of the reasons I'm here. And I am a newbie. I'm not even on this project, so and that's why I'm here because everybody else is busy. And down here, there's also we have the same technology, the same ultrasound technology that we use up here. We use down below for collision detection. So we have 4 in the front, we have 1 in the back, and then in the front too we have 2 infrared sensors that are used for cliff sensors, so they can tell if you're going to drive up to a curve or something where it's going to go over the edge and it'll just stop.
Okay. What kind of price range?
Budgie costs $13.99, so about $1,400.
What's its carrying capacity?
It carries up to 50 pounds.
Okay. I mean, how much? What kind of range does he have?
Just not loaded, he goes about 10 hours. If you have them fully loaded, I believe it's around 4 hours. So if you have 50 pounds in it the whole time, I think you're about 4 hours.
So, I mean, you use him like a shopping companion. You go to the grocery store, do your shopping, you use him to carry your groceries home.
Yeah, you use him to carry your groceries home. Yeah. Okay. And the whole idea is we wanted to make something practical and something that didn't have so many bells and whistles that it costs way too much for someone to afford.
Now, I presume this is one where he's folded down for transportation?
Right, so if you want to, of course, since you want to bring them with you to carry your stuff, you want to be able to transport them. So he folds in 2 places, one at the neck there and one down here, and then you can pick them up and you can put them in your trunk. He weighs just under 20 pounds. So you can take them, you can put them in your trunk, you can take them back out again.
Cool.
Yeah. So, and that's Budgie.
Thank you.
I never did a camera